Hello and welcome back, and this is sort of part two of the cleaning up of the plum tree. Um, just wanted to finish cleaning up a bit, I guess, on the inside, the ground. So this here is plum tree, this one here. Then you have another one, sort of here, and this one up here is an apple tree. So just gonna walk inside. Basically, I had to inside here. We passed by with a lawnmower and kind of rake things up. There are a lot of branches, and I don't know if you can see the stump just basically at the end of my foot there. There's a few stumps with kind of scattered around in here. Just have to pass by that section there with a lawnmower and basically just do some raking just to pick up all the old leaves and sticks, rotted sticks and stuff. Here is a smoker that my grandfather had made many years ago. I think one of the main things he smoked in it was basically fish. Unfortunately, it's kind of falling apart in the back, and it's filled up with dirt. I think quite a few years back, also a groundhog had made a home in it. And here he'd put the wood, and you could see it's filled up with dirt again. So I guess if it's going to be used again, it's going to have to basically be rebuilt. So that's kind of the view, I guess, going outside from the cover of the trees here. So I guess it'd be a nice, I guess if you wanted to go camping, I guess it would be a nice place to maybe put a tent, because it's kind of empty in here, or it's kind of clear in here now. So this here, I think, is another plum tree. Well, I think this here might have to be cut down, but I just noticed there's some more dead branches near the top. So but I'll leave it for now just to see what happens, because it still has a few leaves on it that has green. But I guess I'll see next year to see how it turns out. But it was mostly for this one here that I'm hoping is going to survive. This one here looks like it's kind of doing well. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Back there, back there I guess you can see a kind of a pile of branches of what was basically cleaned out from here, a whole pile of dead branches. They'll have to eventually be burnt. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye.